Hi my gorgeous girlies, welcome to my channel Neha Doing Makeup. I hope you all are doing well. Festivals are just around the corner and Mars have launched their new lipsticks. This is Mars Queen of Mattes lipsticks. These comes in different shades, so they comes in pink, nudes, multicolors, red maroons and brown one. I have selected for myself this brown one. So this comes in package in 3 shades. Can you see the box is so beautiful? In the box they have given us these 3 brown shades. So before the application, let's see what the brand has to say about this lipsticks. So Queen of Matte set of 3 lipsticks. It has got intense pigmentation, smooth matte finish, long lasting comfort. This retails for 499 rupees and from Amazon I got it for somewhere around 449 rupees. There was some sale going on and before filming this video I checked the price. It is still available for 449 rupees. So yes, let's start the application. First shade which I'm going to try is Chestnut Swirl. Okay, so the formula is really comfortable on my lips. Although it is a matte lipstick, but it is not, drying my lips. It is not dehydrating my lips. It is kind of that velvety texture. So let it sit on the lips for a couple of minutes and let's see if it transfers or no. The brand is not claiming that it is transfer proof or whatsoever, but since it is a matte lipstick, I really want to see if it is going to transfer or no. So it's time to do the transfer test. It did not transfer. And it is comfortable on the skin, on the lips. As I said that it is not dehydrating. I am not feeling that after a while my lips are going to get chapped. It is actually comfortable, girls. So let's try the second shade now. The second shade in the pack is Universal Ace. Let's try. Time to try the last shade, and the last one which I have is Espresso Suit. It's kind of a dark brown shade which I always prefer. Ooh. I very much loved the colors and the formula too. As I mentioned, my lips are very dry and this is a kind of a mousse texture, very comfortable on my skin. And I think I have got my colors, my lipsticks for this festive season. What about you? Go and grab these lipstick. You can check the shades you want. They are available in multiple shades. So thank you so much for watching my video, guys. If you have liked my work, please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.